Greetings everyone, myself Avinav from Team Visual Verma, and in this video I will be showing you how you can use our extension to manage your Google Meet. After clicking on the Add Extension button, you will be redirected to our page where you have to log in with your email or you can sign in with your Google account. After signing in, as you can see, you can now access your personal dashboard where you can see the reports of your previous meetings. Now let's create a meet and see if our extension is working properly in our PC or not. Now that I'm finally on the meet, you can see that the extension is running properly. Now after leaving the meeting, you will be redirected to another page where the current reports will get saved to our website. And after a while, after the save is complete, you will be redirected to the page where you can see all the details about the current meeting. That's it for today's video on how you can use our extension to track your meeting. Thank you.